What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another unboxing video. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, taking all the necessary precautions to not only take care of yourselves but your loved ones as well. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna get started on this unboxing. As you can see here, I went ahead and cut the boxes open to make it a little bit easier on myself to showcase these pieces for you guys. So let's get started with this one here. Okay, so this one is an Amazon exclusive. I was lucky enough to find it half price. This is a set that I've been after for quite some time, but just have not been able to find it, or at least not at the right price. So I was lucky to, I happened to be doing some shopping on Amazon, and these were half price, so I jumped on it right away. These were designed by Alex Ross, and needless to say, it's the DC Comics edition. So let's take a closer look, guys. So this one here is the Volkswagen T1 panel bus in a teal color. Check this out, guys. This one here includes, it appears to be Aquaman on the picture. I could be wrong, but it sure looks like Aquaman. Yeah, for some reason Aquaman was not included on the card art, nor the art on the box set here, but it's okay. It's pretty cool. So again, this is a premium set, so it's metal on metal, metal base, real rider wheels. I love the white trim around the tires there, 5-spoke rims. Very, very awesome piece. It's got a great interior. This is pretty awesome. I love this casting. Let's move on to the next one. This is the Holland Gas. Pretty cool. This has Superman on it. Pretty cool. Same thing. Metal on metal. Real rider wheels. Love that red trim around the tire there. 5-spoke rims. And gray interior. That's pretty cool. Kind of has like a bullet shape, That's pretty cool. Next one up is the Custom 77 Dodge van. This is awesome. It's got Batman on it, and it's got the blue trim around the tire. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is as old school as it comes, guys. Even the rims. I remember back in the day, my dad used to have something like this, and the rims were very, very similar to what's on this particular casting, so pretty cool. I also happen to be a huge Batman fan. He's by far my favorite superhero of all. So this one, guys, has a black base, real rider wheels. Looks like it has the blue windows on on the top and on the sides, front, back. It's pretty cool. Next one up, we've got the 67 Austin minivan. This is pretty cool. I believe this one is also, there's a variation of this one. This is part of the Led Zeppelin set, if I'm not mistaken. It looks very, very similar. But yeah, pretty cool in a gold color. As you can see, it's got Wonder Woman up on the roof there. Pretty cool. This one has a chrome metal base. This one does not have any trim around the tires. 5-spoke rims. It says Wonder Woman right there. And you could see the Wonder Woman's eyes on the back there, looking out. Pretty cool. Last but not least, ooh, you got the Green Lantern here. Pretty cool. This particular model is a 66 Dodge A100. This one comes in a black body with the Green Lantern decal. Pretty cool. This one is really cool. I think I like the design more than the casting itself. This is pretty cool. So this one has a chrome base, Wheel Rider wheels. These appear to be, I don't want to call them steelies because I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So here's the complete set, guys. And each and every single one of these cards has Alex Ross's autograph on the back, so that's pretty cool. So Alex Ross right there. Another one. The Wonder Woman. There it is again on the Batman. Here we go. Superman. And last but not least, the Justice League. Awesome. Let's move on to the next box, guys. Oh man, guys, this is pretty sick. There you go. Check that out, guys. Isn't that awesome? This is an old school treasure hunt. Regular treasure hunt, may I add, because it does not have, as you can see, Wheel Rider wheels. But regardless, you know, it's a pretty awesome piece. I love the detail on this car, guys. Check out that gold plated interior. And as you can see, it matches the rims. It matches the rear bumper and the front bumper, the grille and everything. Really cool. I really love the decals on this car. Check that out. Very nice. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but I'm just glad I found it. And as you could see, you know, the card is in very good condition. It's in mint condition, which, you know, kind of surprises me because I've bought things online before, you know, old castings, and the card itself has a little bit of wear, and you know, it's got some soft edges and stuff like that. But this one, you know, looks like its previous owner really took care of, or takes care, I should say, takes care of his collection, and it's much appreciated. So don't remember who the seller is, but very much appreciated. Oh, let me see. Might be able to tell you here. Just trying to let's see. Oh, here we go. The name of the seller, guys, is Portinia78 on Amazon Marketplace, in case you guys are interested. I don't know if he or she has any more of these available. When I bought this one, it said it only had he or she only had 2 more available. So I guess I was one of the lucky ones, and you know, the other one is found another home as well. So, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, guys. Be safe out there. You know, I know it's hectic, but you know, gotta you gotta stay calm, guys, because you know, freaking out and going crazy and stuff like that, that's not gonna make matters better. That's gonna worsen the situation. So, you know, let's try to be kind to one another, be respectful, especially if and when there are children involved around the area. You know, there's no room for that, guys. So, all right, guys, take care. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.